and you're married to your best friend. Has life changed at all?
No. One way. I get to live with my best friend now.
Oh.
Yeah.
But what are the things that you're tolerating
And
about him?
it's a riot. I love it. It's too fun.
But what are the things that you're tolerating about him then?
Nothing. अभी 7 साल से I know him. अभी अगर कुछ था तो I would have spoken then, no? Now it's all good
कुछ
only.
भी habit नहीं है जो साथ में रह के
He whistles a lot.
he whistles a lot.
Yeah, he's a very good whistler, but constantly hearing a whistling sound and music around you, that is something irritating.
And what are
I'm sorry, I was going to the fair, but
On
just said
Q, what is this? See, now hear how nicely he
I said
whistles
coffee. It's
also.
all. But I'll do it at some point.
Yeah, but this is why I said, guys, this is the best episode of Galata India Fans Festival.
This is the Sableen.
How beautiful! How beautiful!
You try again.
Almost.
But you know, there was love written all over the pictures, all over the videos. We were waiting for this video, to be very honest. And we were like, video kab aayega, video kab aayega. I think video ek din baad aaya. And we were all waiting. You know, this didn't seem like work. कितने सालों से शादी के लिए मन था कि शादी करना है क्यों? Why was there a delay?
When we started dating, I was the first one who told him I love you. I was the first one who told him I'm going to marry you only, whether you like it or not.
Oh.
And then we continued dating for about 7 years before we actually did end up getting married. But he got on board the train a little later. Like eventually, like we were getting to know each other, and then of course spending time with each other, and then our relationship grew, our bond grew deeper, and you know, and then he reached the point where I was, and he said, "Ha, I want to marry you only."
It's not that even I knew. matlab,
Later
after
than me,
her,
but yeah.
but I also got to know much earlier.
Yeah.
The thing is that I was enjoying this relationship so much.
Do you remember the first meeting that you guys had? What was your first impression of each other?
We know it minute by minute. So there was this, we were at Galaxy, and it's strange that she's been going to Galaxy and chilling and Salman Bhai's birthday parties and all that. I've been going since 2013, and we never met. So
We never crossed
So
paths.
at one point I've asked her, I was like, but why have you never come to Salman Bhai's birthday parties and all? She's like, I've always come. And I used to dance there. I was like, oh, I used to be dancing there. So we both are having individual parties there. And the first time we met was at Galaxy. We were just chilling, hanging, and met for an hour and a half. And the next 2-3 days later was the 23rd of June, was the tube light screening of the film. So it was 23rd was the film releasing, and 22nd night after the screening there was a party at Yasharaj. So we were just sitting in the corner and waiting for the room to fill up and everyone will come. And we sat in the corner and landed up chatting for 5.5 hours. And suddenly after, we were so engrossed in the conversation that when we turned around, we saw, Baki sab kahan gaye? And then someone from outside and be like, sab ghar gaye, sab log bahar 2-4 jan ruke, ghar nikalne ke liye, aap log ke liye. And I think that was the first time where we both felt, wow. And
This
that's
is
why
it.
23rd June was the date we wanted to get married.
What are the habits of hers that you have tolerated?
Her punctuality. She's too punctual.
That's true.
He's saying
Like,
that because
we've gone to my friends' parties, my birthdays and places, and I know that my friend who's party, he's not going to reach before 10 o'clock. She invites us 9 o'clock. 8:55, I'm sitting there at the party. I'm like, mera dost ab aayega, mera dost ab aayega. So that punctuality is something, but and I've become that person now. We had to go for a breakfast to a friend's house the other day, and it's 10:30. It was like it's breakfast brunch, And I was like, no one's going to come at 10:30. I'm ready with my shoes on at 10:20. I'm like, now waiting and I'm messaging on the group. 12 o'clock, everyone has come. But I'm ready since 10:20. So I love it. It's very good. I love being on time.
appreciated-
It's
they
always be on time. It's a
appreciated
very
your
good thing
punctuality,
to
okay?
respect other people's time.
Yes.
But if you know that they are going to be late,
Support. With your relationship, forget everything. Forget all the negativity because there's no negativity actually. ये सब बनावटी है. But to have your family support, your closest ones present when you were taking that step, how did it make you guys feel? How emotional were both of you?
It's the best feeling ever, actually. And we've generally, since I told my parents about our relationship, we've always had that support. My dad, like he said, he's always, I know that he'll always back me no matter what. And in fact, I was getting a bit scared to tell him at first. And
so she said, you go say.
so I was like, you go now, you go tell him.
You told him.
He's like, "Oh, it's your father, you have the conversation. I told my father. Now you go." So I was getting a little bit nervous. So then I went up to him and I sat down with him. And I know my dad appreciates humor. So I tried to take a very different approach. So I sat down like that, like full confidence. है ना? क्या आपको चिंता नहीं है क्या बेटी की शादी नहीं हो रही है कुछ आपको परवाह नहीं है? So I went in that approach. So he's like, of course है, मैं मम्मी से पूछता रहता हूँ क्या क्यों क्या हुआ? So I said नहीं मुझे शादी करनी है. तो he said अच्छा किसके साथ? हाँ नहीं फर्स्ट ही से हाँ तो मैं ढूंढता हूँ ना. I was like नहीं ढूंढ लिया.
But he's got such a good sense of humor. I'm surprised he didn't get up and say, नहीं, ठीक है, नहीं पढ़िए, get up and leave.
So I'm telling him मुझे शादी करनी है. हाँ मैं तो ढूंढता हूँ फिर. I was like नहीं ढूंढ लिया मैंने. अच्छा कौन है? So then I told him Zahir है and you know we've been together for so long and you know he makes me very very happy and he's my best friend and so I had a very lovely chat with my dad and I thought it would be like you know मतलब अपने दिमाग में you build it up and make it out to be something so difficult it could be but it was actually so easy. And the best thing my dad told me after we had a conversation is like, you know, you all are grown adults and you all love each other clearly from whatever you have told me. And Mia baby Razi, to kya karega Kazi? Go for it. So it was literally that simple. And once that happened, we were like, you know, this is it. We don't need anything else.
But this is when did the proposal happen? Was it a few days before the wedding or usse pehle?
No, we always knew we were going to get married. But we got engaged in December 22.
30th December 2022.
Is there a special thing about that date also? Why was that date selected?
सब हम तुम्हें नहीं बोलने वाले अब.
But है ना? We are gonna play another video which is specially for you. ये Zahir को पता है. But this is again the family section. So of course there are two actually.
Hi, Fofo.
First one is from
I love
Sanam.
you. I still remember the first time I met you. Arya was maybe a few weeks old and Zach called me late one night and said that he was bringing home a friend to see Arya and that's when you came home. And I saw sparks all over the place, but he tried very hard to convince me that you all were just good friends. But I'm so glad you guys met and fell in love. And now 7 years later, you're married. I couldn't have asked for a better addition to our family. We love you so, so much. And it's such a joy seeing you two together. The friendship you share, the love you share. And just always be happy. We love you. And yeah.
Sanam was so nervous.
I don't know where I've got my acting skills from. All three of them are horrible.
But I have to ask you, like, what was your first meeting with his sister? Because he clearly said, "I'm just bringing a friend," and then she found out.
No, so I went, her daughter was just born. So around the time we started
Say that
dating.
story.
Which one?
Arya.
Yeah. Oh no.
No. Now that you have said
No.
तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा. अब तो
No.
बोलना ही
So
पड़ेगा.
I'm telling you the story. So her daughter was just born around the time we started dating. So he said, I'm bringing a friend home to see your daughter. So I went home, and that's the first time I met Sanam, and she is super sweet. If you meet Sanam na,
Yeah.
she is Aditi's best friend. They are
Yes.
very similar, so they are both like you know, and like the sweetest girl. I mean, the most good natured, good tempered, good human being. कभी किसी के बारे में बुरा नहीं सोचेगी, बुरा नहीं बोलेगी, and she's truly wonderful and one of the best stylists I've worked with. And yeah, so I think we got along immediately. And Sanam is the kind of person who will get along with everyone. आप ये mic उसके सामने रख दो ना, she'll get along with the mic also. Like she's that kind of a person. So she's just lovely.
There's another audio, of course, from Zahir's parents.
Hi
for you.
Sona, just wanted to tell you how happy and blessed we are to have you as our daughter now. Seeing you and Zahir so happy together makes us feel that you all were truly meant to be. You have a heart of Asli Sona only. And you have given us so much love and respect. And I cannot think of anyone better for Zahir.
God bless both of you all. Love you. Take care. Be happy always.
God bless you all. God bless you both always and always.
Oh, so sweet.
हमारी प्लानिंग में ना जहीर जी भी शामिल थे, तो सारे जो ऑडियोज भी आ रहे हैं, वीडियोज भी.
14 different takes of this one. And I just wrote on paper and they're reading it. I was like, but just say it naturally. Like, no, but we only wrote this.
But how sweet. Before I say something, we also have a gift for you both, and this is possibly this is something that I was gonna gift you, but you saw it already. जाते जाते यही बोलूँगा कि ज़हीर, first of all, thank you so much. So when we had planned this show, बचपन से ना मैंने एक शो देखा है, आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा, जीना इसी का नाम है. और जब लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि आपको कैसा शो करना है, तो मुझे हमेशा ये था, मेरी मम्मी बोलेगी, but today also I would love to go back and watch those episodes. And I think,
did last week. I love that show.
yeah,
I love it.
It's-
the Shah Rukh Khan episode.
yes, Shah Rukh Khan fans forever. But I want to say that our generation has not had that. Like actors like you and everybody in the generation has not had that, and this is our sweet attempt, just to take inspiration and अपने तरीके से जितना हो सके to not call it an interview but an experience. And thank you for making this a great.
A beautiful experience. Thank you.
Thank you, and.
We were dancers to his tune.